I'm Aidan Langley. I'm the Health and Safety Manager here at Rhomberg Surtsey Island. We're here in the 95-mile post on the Dublin-Cork main line near Cashel. What you've seen here today is the ballast cleaner, the regulator and the tamper. The whole purpose of the project is primarily to improve the line between Dublin and Cork, and that's going to allow the line speed to increase to 100 miles an hour or 160 kilometres an hour. That'll allow trains to travel faster between Dublin and Cork and Dublin. This work happens most weekends, particularly in the spring and the autumn time. It's been going on for a couple of years and it'll take a while yet. It's part of a larger project that Irish Rail are doing, and so far it's been going very successfully. A number of performance improvements during the project. We've managed to increase the output of the machines considerably, and Irish Rail are very much partnershiped on this project. There's a lot of work goes into the planning. The overall thing is obviously coordinated by Irish Rail, but we're an integral part. It's almost hard to say sometimes where the one company ends and the other begins. We're working together hand in hand throughout the whole thing, and it's really through that close working relationship that gives us the performance improvements that we're looking for. Well, it'll have a significant impact on the time taken to travel between Dublin and Cork. So obviously it makes the railway more competitive against buses or even airplanes. And so it'll improve the performance for the customer, allow more frequent trains, as well as improving the ride comfort as well. So it's a win-win for the railway really.